Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best swimming snorkels on Amazon. Swimming snorkels are wonderful water accessories for many different things. They're perfect for letting you focus on your training and posture instead of trying to breathe as well. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Snorkel Snorkel Lap Swimming. If you're an avid swimmer looking to enhance your snorkeling and diving experience, the Snorkel Snorkel Lap Swimming Swimmer Training Diving Snorkeling is the perfect choice for you. Designed for both pool and open water use, this snorkel offers unparalleled comfort and functionality. The highlight of this snorkel is its comfortable mouthpiece, which allows you to snorkel for extended periods without any discomfort or strain on your jaw. It's ideal for long training sessions or leisurely exploration of underwater wonders. The one-way purge valve efficiently clears any water that might enter the snorkel, ensuring you breathe easily without interruptions. The sleek design of the Snorkel snorkel minimizes drag, allowing you to glide through the water effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned swimmer, this snorkel caters to all levels of expertise. The clarity of the snorkel tube provides excellent visibility, and you can easily adjust a head strap to achieve a snug fit, preventing any unwanted movement during your swim. Number 2. Speedo Unisex Adult Swim Snorkel. The Speedo Unisex Adult Swim Training Snorkel Bullet Head is a top-notch training accessory for swimmers seeking to improve their technique and endurance. This snorkel boasts a streamlined bullet head design, reducing water resistance and enabling you to focus solely on your strokes. Designed by Speedo, a renowned name in the swimming industry, this snorkel is engineered to optimize your swimming training. The comfortable mouthpiece and adjustable head strap ensure a secure and pleasant fit for any swimmer. The tube center mount design allows for easy airflow, promoting proper body alignment and technique. This training snorkel is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced swimmers. Number 3. Kopaz Swim Snorkel. Take your lap swimming, snorkeling, and diving experience to new heights with the Kopaz Swim Snorkel. Specifically designed for swimmers seeking advanced training, this snorkel offers exceptional comfort and functionality. The center mount design of the snorkel tube allows for a balanced and streamlined swim, enhancing your stroke efficiency and body alignment. The comfortable silicone mouthpiece ensures a pleasant experience, even during extended training sessions. Plus, the one-way purge valve efficiently clears any water that enters the snorkel, preventing disruptions to your swim. Whether you're an experienced swimmer honing your technique or a beginner looking to build stamina, the Kopaz Swim Snorkel caters to all skill levels. It's perfect for lap swimming, helping you achieve your fitness goals while maintaining proper form. Number 4. Kraken Aquatic's Dry Snorkel. If you're an adventurous diver, snorkeler, or freediver, the Kraken Aquatic's Dry Snorkel is the ultimate gear to accompany you on your aquatic escapades. This high-quality snorkel boasts a dry top valve that automatically seals the breathing tube when submerged, preventing water from entering and ensuring you breathe easily without interruption. Crafted with comfort in mind, the silicone mouthpiece of the Kraken Aquatic's Dry Snorkel offers a secure yet gentle fit, making it suitable for long hours of underwater exploration. The purge valve efficiently clears any water that might enter the snorkel, allowing you to maintain focus on the breathtaking marine life. Ideal for scuba diving, snorkeling, freediving, spearfishing, and swimming, this professional-grade snorkel is built to withstand the rigors of underwater adventures. Its ergonomic design and secure head strap make it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned divers, guaranteeing a fantastic experience beneath the waves. Number 5. Finnis Freestyle Swimming Snorkel. Improve your swimming technique with the Finnis Freestyle Center Mount Swimming Snorkel. Designed to enhance your freestyle stroke, this snorkel helps you achieve optimal body alignment and breath control. The center mount design of the Finnis Freestyle Snorkel allows you to maintain a balanced and streamlined body position, reducing drag and optimizing your swim efficiency. It enables you to focus solely on your stroke, helping you refine your technique without the interruption of turning your head to breathe. Suitable for adult swimmers, this bright yellow snorkel is easily noticeable in the water, enhancing safety during training sessions. The comfortable mouthpiece ensures a secure fit and reduces jaw fatigue, making it ideal for long-distance swims and intense training. Whether you're a competitive swimmer or a recreational enthusiast, the Finnish Freestyle Center Mount Swimming Snorkel is an excellent training tool that will take your freestyle swimming to the next level. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.